I'm really passionate about getting it right. Do it once, do it right. It's got to be the perfect climate, but it's got to look great too. It's pretty much as simple as that. The way we like to work is part of the team. We much prefer to have a communication with the architect, the client, and it's really important to basically deliver that through to the engineers. I was an engineer myself, sort of 30 years ago. I'd worked on the sites. I know how to install and maintain those systems. I think that's absolutely key to our success because I can relate to the engineers on site. They know what I'm talking about. I can sort of hold their hand, and it's important because if they're on board, we can deliver the end product for the client. Without that sort of connection on the site, I don't think it's necessarily as successful. I really see our role as delivering a different number of elements to the actual project. We've got to provide that perfect climate. Can't be too hot, can't be too cold. Humidity's got to be right. It's got to be accessible. You've got to be able to maintain that equipment. It's got to be the latest technology. It's got to be the most energy efficient of products. But it's also got to look right. It's got to be what the client's looking for, whether that's a hidden system that he can't feel or hear, or an exposed system that's part of the internal architecture. So we see ourselves as part of a holistic team, not just providing the climate, but providing a whole facet of requirements, not just for now, but for the longevity of the systems going forward too.